Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya kũgenerwo nĩ atongoria a ciama ngũrani cia mwena wa Ikamba-inĩ thingira-inĩ wa iregi mũthenya wa Jumatatũ, President Uhuru Kenyatta augĩte wĩra wake wa mĩaka 3 kuma mageithania ngeithi cia thayũ na mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Raila Odinga ndangĩũringithania na wa mĩaka 5 ya itĩna rĩake rĩa mbere rĩa wathani.
I have done much more than I was able to do even in my first term. Why? Because I have been able to focus myself, working in conjunction with my colleagues, and being able to focus on the development agenda, not the political agenda.
Our Prime Minister of Ethiopia was praising you for the work you have done in commissioning Lamu Port. That's an amazing achievement. And you have even started shipbuilding in Kisumu. You have revived the Kenya Meat Commission. And it's like you are not joking with anybody. I think you have taken it in stride. So we must congratulate you.
President akiririkania atongoria ati bũrũri ũngĩhota tu gũkinyanĩria ũthii wa na mbere na ihenya na njĩra ya gũkorwo na thayũ, akiuga maya nĩmo maũndũ marĩa riboti ya BBI itanyitwo gwĩkĩrĩra.
How wonderful it is, you know, to see my brother Stephen being flanked by Chap Chap and Nak. It's beautiful. Huh? Because I will assure you, there is no way a country can move forward if leaders are not together. Na ndipo tulikuwa tunasukuma BBI. BBI sio ya kutafutia mtu kiti. BBI ilikuwa kuhakikisha ya kwamba every part of this country ijisikie iko ndani ya serikali.
Atongoria kuma Ikamba-inĩ nao magĩtũgĩria wĩra ũrĩa President arutĩte wa ũthii wa na mbere gaturi-inĩ gothe ka bũrũri, makĩmwĩrĩra gũthiĩ na mbere kũmũnyita mbaru.
And don't be tired, and we are there for you, Your Excellency.
Of your Big Four agenda, Your Excellency, we are attending to them, all of them.
Your Excellency, Thwakadam, as one of your mega projects, is in fact a world site. I was there recently when we were doing some inspections. The Konza City dream, Your Excellency, I don't know, Joe Musharo is our good friend Waziri, but I don't know whether he has told you. The sort of things that they have done in Konza are not even existing in East and Central Africa. They are not there.
That is the basis of success today and into the future. So please, just as we are here today as we are not here, sijui Chap Chap anakuja hapa kulia, sijui Waipa wamefanya nini, na hako hapa kusema sijui hawa, mko hapa kwa sababu ya maendeleo ya wananchi wa region ya Ukambani.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.